Rap, imbitahan mo ang mga nanonood sa atin.
Wait, sandali. Ano pa yung isang super taas na kanta na kaya mo?
She likes him talaga.
I love you so much. At pag nagugustuhan ko talaga,
She does.
every week nag-guest dito dahil favorite ko.
Tandaan niyo yan, ha? Rap has to be every week.
Every week. I love you. Gusto ko talaga boses mo. Go.
Yung favorite po ni Direk Gwen. And as I'm telling you, I'm not going. You're the best man I ever know. That's the way I can ever go. No, 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 no way. No, 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 no way. Oh, baby, without you, I'm not living without. I'm not living without you. I don't wanna be free. I'm staying, just staying, and you, and you, and you, you gotta help me
Pwede na kay Ellen DeGeneres.
Kailangan na, dali na natin buong staff natin sa opening.
Galing, Ashley.